This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hi, I'm Steve Irvin with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. Coronavirus cases in our state continue to climb. Today, the state health department reporting 738 new cases, pushing the total number of confirmed cases past 229,000 since all of this began. The percentage of positive tests coming back is now 8%, and that's down slightly from 9% yesterday. Meantime, the state reporting another 17 deaths from the virus, bringing the total number of lives lost to more than 5,800. Education Secretary Betsy DeVos and Governor Doug Ducey spending Thursday touring Phoenix International Academy. It was among the first schools to receive a micro grant from the state designed to help public schools during this pandemic. The visit by the Education Secretary was highlighted by the announcement that Arizona will receive an additional $500,000 in micro grants to support innovative programs that help educate public and charter school students. While not dismissing the federal money, public school advocates say funds are a mere drop in the bucket.
It's kind of like a penny here, a penny there, publicize that you did something and then turn the other way. So yes, this $1 million CARES Act funding, and then the additional bit announced yesterday, it really is throwing pennies kind of at a $3 billion with a B dollar problem.
More than 1 million students are enrolled in Arizona public schools, with teacher to pupil ratios the second largest in the country. We're also seeing the latest campaign finance reports in Arizona, and the Invest in Ed movement is outraising their opponents by a margin of 5-1 to pass Prop 208. According to the latest reports, through the end of September, Invest in Ed raised $17.8 million and spent just under $12.5 million. That's compared to the group opposing the proposition, raising $3.2 million and spending a little over $3 million. A traffic alert, Loop 202 near Sky Harbor Airport will be closed this weekend for pavement sealing. This is the section between the mini stack and the 101. ADOT is working on this in two parts. Friday night, they'll shut down the eastbound side of the freeway, and then on Saturday night, the westbound lanes will shut down until Sunday night. It's now official. The popular Tucson fast food chain EG's is coming to the valley.
It's an opportunity to take what's been voted Tucson's best fast food restaurant and best French fries and bring it to Phoenix. We're excited, couldn't be more pleased about plans to do so.
We first told you about this last week. Now the Tucson hotspot, known for its ranch fries and Italian ice slush, will be coming to 5 locations, one in Phoenix, Scottsdale, and Mesa, and 2 in Gilbert. Construction will start soon. The Red Sea continuing to trickle into State Farm Stadium. The Arizona Department of Health Services now allowing up to 1,200 fans, including some season ticket holders, to the next home game on October 25th against the Seahawks. Seats will be doled out in pairs, masks will be required, and parking, tickets, and concessions will all be contact-free. A family of dogs rescued from under a house this week. The Arizona Humane Society says several abandoned dogs were living under this home, likely just trying to stay cool. When rescue crews came to save them, they discovered one of the dogs had given birth, and there were 7 puppies who also needed saving. Crews tell us it was a bit of a struggle to get all the dogs out, the whole thing taking about 2 hours. But thankfully, the dogs were friendly, very happy to see them.
I was able to stick my camera under and snap. I couldn't see or hear anything, and then I felt her, the mama, lick my hand because I was calling to her to see if she was in that area.
Officials say the puppies are very healthy and mom is in pretty good shape too. They will spend the next few weeks in the shelter's maternity ward before going up for adoption.
With your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. We are expecting a somewhat cooler weekend across the valley, but highs will still be close to 100 degrees both Saturday and Sunday in Phoenix. Starting off in the morning, though, with temperatures in the 70s and heating up into the 90s during the latter part of both tomorrow and on Sunday. Overnight tonight across the high country, below freezing at the Grand Canyon, 30s and 40s from Flagstaff to the rim, and 50s in areas like Sedona and Payson, near 70 here in the valley, 60s in areas like Gila Bend, Yuma, and Quartzsite too, with highs tomorrow climbing into the mid and upper 70s in areas from the Grand Canyon to Flagstaff, 80s in Sedona and Prescott, 90 for you folks in Kingman, and one area will hit 100 degrees. That'll be Lake Havasu City for at least Saturday, upper 70s there on the Navajo Nation. And that planner showing those temperatures starting off in the 60s in the morning tomorrow here in Phoenix, climbing to 90 by midday and topping out in the upper 90s. And that 7-day forecast showing highs at 98 through Sunday. cooling down gradually next week, but we're still going to be hot and dry for the next 7 days.
For the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, head to ABC15.com or download the free ABC 15 mobile app.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.